Hello Jayprakash sir and hello Deepika. Sorry, I am calling you by your name, but you are no less than a guru to me because you have taken a fantastic session yesterday on this training. And I would like to really thank you for taking this training into such difficult circumstances, first of all, because this is not just a training to me, it was like a motivation to me to actually be able to do this, my dream of import export or international business since a long time. I have been doing. I'm working into trading industry, into specifically into construction chemicals business since last 10 years. But I have been doing it as a job. But now I look forward to. I always wanted to do it as a personal business. And this program has really helped me to gain that confidence which was missing, like how to start, from where to start, and what are the procedures, what are all the technical aspects of this business. And you have made this so simple through this training program for me to understand what are the A to Z of import export and how easy it is to do, provided you have that kind of determination and zest to be able to do that. uh, so yes, I can't find of any feedback where I can tell you points to improve, because actually this program, I have witnessed so many seminars, workshops, I have delivered few, and I have been part of so many programs of such training nature. But this program really looks like you have put lot of experience. There a lot of experience have gone into make this program to this level where it is right now. You have it has been a lot of polishing has gone through, it seems, and it really makes it very effective and not exhausting or very theoretical, or where we will get overwhelmed by this training. It is as sir said, that you are this is to make the exporters, not just to train them how to do it. So that says it all. And the real feedback will be definitely when I am able to give you some success story of my own, where like my friend who has recommended me, he is doing now 10 crores already in first 2 years of his work starting, and he has struggled in his life for 5 6 years to do what, and so many businesses failed, but he has got success after your training program. And I really look forward that I be able to give you another story of similar nature, where that will be the greatest feedback of all. And thanks once again, thank you so much. I have lots of appreciation and gratitude for you. And congratulations, bye bye.